Hi, this is Consuelo Dobbs, and I hope everyone is having a great day. And today I wanted to touch on one of the most important components in a sales funnel, and that is the lead capture page. If you don't know what a sales funnel is the process that you take a prospect or a potential business client from a prospect to a customer, an actual business partner. But first of all, I would just like to preface by saying if you would like to receive more updates and more videos, we got more exciting things coming. Please hit the subscribe button so you can keep getting updated on new projects, new programs, and other business tactics and methodologies that you can use in your online sales business or in affiliate marketing. So when you think about a lead capture page, that is the first part that your prospect will come to in your sales funnel, and it's one of the most important because that's the part where your prospect will enter in your sales process, and they're pretty much there until they want to opt out. But we're going to talk about a full sales funnel later on, but we just want to touch on your lead capture page. A lead capture page is basically a page it's like a quick, what they call a squeeze page. And it just, it has a nice headline that will arouse the curiosity of the prospect and will allow them to enter in their information, whether it be their name, telephone number, or email, or all three, or either or. It could be two items. It could be just name or phone number or name, email, whatever you want. But the main thing, what a lot of people like to capture, is the email. So that's what I like to do. I like to do like a single opt-in, which is just the email. Getting the name is nice, but some people just enter in a bad, a fake name or whatever. But that's very rare. But email, if they want the information, they'll most likely enter in their email. But what we want to do is touch on what's the best lead capture page to use. Now, I get a lot of conversions with my Cash Now funnel lead capture page. Now, this is a variation of the original lead capture page of the Cash Now funnel that I created with the, the dollars in the back, and then you have this main headline box here, and then here's where they enter in their email. Now, this is what I call the original classic Cash Now funnel lead capture page. So as you can see, here is a quick headline, and this is where they enter in their email address. That way they go on your list and you can stay in contact with them. Okay? Now, but what I've heard from a lot of people is, and what I've seen a lot of heavy hitters use, is the type of lead capture page they're using is just plain wording and less wording, just mainly a headline with a white background and then the box for them to enter in their email address. So I want to make that real quick within the Power Lead system, and show you how easy it is to make one. So, I guess because when a prospect comes into that up on your particular lead capture page, you don't want a lot going on. If anything, at the most, you want a video. If you want to introduce yourself, brand yourself, and help connect with you first and foremost. Coming in through the door, you want to greet them at the door. Then that is a good way to brand yourself by having a video. But other than that, you just want a plain headline. You don't want something. You don't want a whole bunch of bells and whistles going on, and you want them to go straight to that slot in order to enter in their email, and then they're in your funnel, and then you can send them info from there on. So we're going to make a quick lead capture page in that fashion. So we're going to go to websites, and we're in the Power Lead system, just logged in. And you just basically, it could be It says choose which domain to set up. I'm gonna put it on demo again. Demo, because I already have that main domain, which is winwithconnie.com, which is my nickname, assigned to something. But I'm going to scroll down here where all the, this is a lot of my share code websites. I'm going to go to where all the lead capture pages are. And I'm going to mainly find one with now this one right here. We have plenty with just plain wording and a white background. This is one. This is perfect. I won't say perfect, but it's the ideal of what you're looking for. Get red hot leads in 24 hours or less. Need fresh leads. New push button system spits out 67 leads daily. This is the ideal lead capture page. It doesn't have a whole lot of things going on, and it has just this main headline. And you could change this particular headline if you would like. So what I would like to do is say, okay, website, it says copy web pages. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy that web page that we just ran and see here's another one. That's this one I'm sure you could modify this, or maybe not, but this falls along the same line. It's not a whole lot going on. It's just a headline and then the opt-in box, and then they can enter in their name on that one. And here's another. Perfect. Here's the opt-in box, and here's headline. Here's a headline, and you can change these headlines. Okay. I saw someone make one. I'm gonna create it real quick, and I'm gonna use copy this page, email only, and I'm gonna copy this page just to modify it and show you how easy it is to change it to whatever you want it. It says make me a copy. Okay. And it says do not assign a domain at this time. Visitors will see. I'm going into the settings, but I think I've already assigned this this domain. But let me see if I can pick another demo. As I said before, because this one is a copy. And we're going to modify this. Save changes to web page, because I'm not actually going to use this right now. But I just want to show you how easy it is to change it. Leave it the way it is, or choose this. Now we're going to change the background. As you can see, edit background. I'm sorry, I get so involved in changing these, I forget I'm doing a video. But yeah, these are your settings up here that you click and you modify. So now we're at edit background. And I hit choose one of our 83 image backgrounds like these. Then I hit submit. Now they're going to take you to your choices. I just want a regular white background. Because as I said before, it's better to just have a plain background. Now we're going to edit text, and it's going to show. I think it already had a white background. That one didn't need to be changed, because that's what it was originally. Now, edit text. As you can see, And they have tutorials to show you how to do this. Now, you want to change your headline for whatever you want to sell. So I just want to change the headline. It could be about anything. Doesn't matter. It could be something to arouse curiosity. So what I'm going to do is, this isn't necessarily about leads, so I'm going to delete that. Then I'm going to say, it says need fresh leads. I'm going to ask another question. Can I just cut to the chase? Oh, a lot of people would like for you to just cut to the chase. I love that. You know, I don't like people to beat around the bush. Just tell me, don't try to do some long drawn out presentation. New push button system spits out 67 leads daily. I'm going to say, click below. Can I just cut to the chase? Let me send you this new video. Or something like that. Where can I say? I'm going to say, where can I send you the 5-minute video? That's it. I mean, I know someone else that uses a, I'm going to bold that up. See, here's your controls up here. Bold that up. I might make it smaller. And there's font size. Make it smaller. You could just play with it. Oh, that's too small. Just play with it. But that's how easy, to make a lead capture page like this. Get a hot headline. And, you could play with it like this. You can get a hot headline and then have your email box where they can opt in. And that's it. Arouse curiosity. And here you're not giving too much information on what you're sending. But of course, I'm sure they know that it's based on a business opportunity, work from home. But this is very simple. Simple. These are the best types of lead capture pages to use. A hot headline. This one isn't too dynamic, but you get the point. Just get a hot headline. And you might want some quotations there. Make it look a little better. Or you could probably put, let me send you the 5-minute video, or, or you could say, I'm going to just cut to the chase. You could change it around either way you want to. But this is the best type of, I know some people use a headline like, they just ask a question. Well, what is keeping you from 100,000 a year? Oh, how about it? That's it. That gets a lot of opt-ins, and then, they may change it to that they say now, a lot of people are saying black is better. Black and maybe a little red, black and red, and, 1 or 2 colors, and then this box right here. And then you can change the font, also make it look a little more dynamic. Comic Sans, I'm not too crazy about that. It looks cartoony. I don't know, which is nothing wrong with that, but that don't look. That's not bad. But 9 times out of 10, you'll go back to Sans because it's like the standard. New Times Roman, that's kind of sort of okay. That ain't all that, but you get the point. You know, you can use whatever type of. Now that's okay. You can use whatever type of, and a lot of people like to italicize this, you know. Yeah, so that makes it look a little bit better. But you could just play around with it. But this is one of the best types of lead capture pages to use. Just a headline and the email box. Just go ahead, cut to the chase. They can, and if they, you know, want to know what you're talking about, they can hit that button. Okay. All right. So until next video.